Are you a fan of mushrooms, or you are the people that be like, nah? Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how I made this stir-fried mushrooms. Here are my ingredients. Mushroom. There are different kinds of mushrooms. Onions, meatballs. I use lamb, oil, rosemary, basil, just for flavor, seasoning cube, garlic, salt, and pepper flakes. Now let's go right into the recipe. This is a very quick and easy recipe to make. So we're stir frying. You bring in your oil, add your onions, fry your onions until it caramelizes, and then I brought in my lamb, which has already been seasoned. I break it in pieces because I want it to combine with the mushroom. So you stir fry that. While it is getting cooked, you add your mushrooms, and immediately on high heat you stir. Do not forget to add your garlic, your pepper flakes. This is a very fast recipe. Don't forget your salt. So everything cooks very fast. In less than 5 minutes it is ready. Once you add your mushroom, in less than 5 minutes your meal is ready. More like 3 minutes. So mushrooms have been washed. Now there's a difference between stir frying and this is my seasoning cube. It was hard, so I pounded it. Drop your rosemary in just to infuse the flavors and stir. Mushrooms are very tender, so you want to be careful while stirring it. Do not forget to wash your mushrooms before bringing it in. Then when you're about to bring this down, you add your basil, and that's it. We're ready. Very quick and easy. This was served with bulgur wheat, and mushrooms I hear are a rich low calorie source of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. There are different kinds of mushrooms, so some are healthy, some are not. So you want to be careful. Check with your doctor before deciding on which one to take. Alrighty, this is a very short video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I truly appreciate you. Please remember to like the video, leave me a comment or two, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.